Hello friends, in this video I will provide you the solution of NPTEL course The Joy of Computing Using Python by Professor Sudarshan Iyengar, IIT Roper. The week 5 contents is available here and the week 5 assignment is also available here. The last date of submission is 30th August 2023. So the first question is that which is the fastest sorting algorithm? So the correct option is quicksort is the fastest sorting algorithm. Next is how can you remove all items from a dictionary? So the correct option is dict.clear. Clear method is used to remove all the elements. So dict.clear option A is correct. Next is what happens if you try to add a new key to a dictionary that already exists? Then the correct option is option A. The key and its associated value will be updated. Next question. Which of the following is true about dictionaries? So the correct option is option C. Every key must be unique. Next is what is the syntax to create a dictionary? So the correct option is option D, that the curly braces is used to create a dictionary. D equal to opening and closing curly braces. Next is what will be the output of the following? The code is given here. We have to find out the output of this code. So the correct option is option C, the tuple A20, B30 and C50. This is the option C is the correct option. Next is in the Monty Hall problem, what is the probability of winning if you switch doors after the host reveals a goat behind one of the other doors? So the correct option is 2 by 3. The correct option is option C, 2 by 3. Next is in the Monty Hall problem, what is the probability of winning if you do not switch doors after the host reveals a goat behind one of the other doors? So the correct option is option A, 1 by 3. Option A, 1 by 3. Next is what is the name of the game show that the Monty Hall problem was based on? So the correct option is option D, Let's Make a Deal. Let's make a deal. Next is which module in Python can be used for speech to text recognition? So the correct option is option A, speech recognition module. That is speech recognition module is used for speech to text conversion. So this is the solution of the week 5 assignment 5 of the NPTEL course The Joy of Computing Using Python. Please submit it on or before 30th of August 2023. Please subscribe to my channel and like this video so that I can provide you the more solutions of the assignments. Thank you.